44 degrees out right now. It's about, I don't know what time it is, 2 o'clock, something like that. Yesterday was absolutely beautiful. It was about almost 60 degrees. So beautiful yesterday, not so much today. And Saturday night into Sunday, we're supposed to get a snowstorm. So we're going to be doing something a little bit different today. A friend of my wife's, it was her birthday. She's really big into horses, and my wife came up with an idea for me to make a couple of things for her out of horseshoes. So that's what I'm going to do. And it's not going to be real difficult to do. The first one is it's a paper towel holder. I'm just going to take 3 horseshoes like that, make the base. Going to put some rebar in the middle, weld that in. Then your paper towels just fit down over the top of it like that. And then this one, I've seen it done this way. Put it on the front. And I think it ought to go this way myself. I think it needs to go something like that. But it might, I don't know, either way, but I think it needs to go like that. So that is what I'm doing. And this is the rebar I have. It's pretty good sized, and may have to grind the ends down a little bit once I get it cut. I'm going to take a wire wheel and clean this up once I cut it. Although I think my wire wheel is about shot. And I already marked it at 11 inches. That's about the length of a paper towel roll. So we'll get this in the vise. Cut that off. Safety glasses that somebody sent me, I'll link these down below. I really like these. They're anti-fog and, well, right now anyway, they're crystal clear to see out of. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these down on the floor. Actually, I'm going to turn them upside down like that. And I'm going to tack weld these 3 horseshoes together, and then I'm going to weld this rebar right in the middle, which it just fits in there. I don't want it going through the bottom, but I'll get this figured out. I'm going to tack weld these together, and then we'll do this. And there you have it, pretty much done. Need to clean it up a little bit more, and then I'm going to put some black paint on it, and she'll be done. And there you have it. It's the next morning. I let the paint dry on that, and that's pretty much what it is. Didn't turn out too bad, pretty easy to do. And I have two other things that I'm going to make. First thing I'm going to make, it's a wine bottle holder, and it also holds two glasses. Make a base like this. Easier said than done. Something like that. And then these are bigger horseshoes. They'll get welded on like that. That's what holds the bottle. And then to hold the glasses, you'll have this part that holds the bottle, and then this one will get welded on like that, and a glass will hang in that. So you'll have your bottle. Then off here on the side, that's where your glass will go. One over here, one over here. I'm going to go ahead and make those. I'm going to make video on them. If you like this kind of stuff, comment down below, and I can post those videos up. Kind of a fun little project to do. And I tell you what, welding these horseshoes together is 10 times easier than welding thin sheet metal together. And we are going to get back on the Bronco. Thanksgiving weekend. Wife's friend had a birthday and she asked me to make her some things here, so that's what I'm doing. Thought I'd go ahead and make a video on it. So if you want to see those other two things being made, like I said, comment down below and I'll post those up as well. So I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. We're making another turkey tomorrow just for the heck of it. But give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.